Of a Thai-flagged fishing trawler captured by pirates in the Indian Ocean have confirmed that 23 Russian sailors are on board that vessel. The crew also includes 2 men from Ghana and 2 from the Philippines. The ship's now believed to be heading to Somalia. Maria Finoshna for RT has the details.
Somalian piracy is rampant in the Indian Ocean, and this latest incident is the largest ever hijack of a Russian crew.
Union 3 is a tuna fishing vessel which left the seaport of Victoria, Seychelles on October the 29th. At night, the ship was hijacked by pirates. After a short chase, the pirates went on board and radio communication with the ship was lost. There are 27 crew on board the ship, 23 of them Russian fishermen.
Pirates use speed and firepower to overwhelm unarmed vessels, but it seems concerted international efforts to drive out the pirates from Somali coast have simply driven the high seas highwaymen to seek prey further afield. This latest attack occurred 1,000 kilometers deep into the Indian Ocean. The ship is currently en route to a pirate base in Somalia, followed by a British Royal Naval warship. It's not taking any action, which might risk endangering the hostages.
There's nothing that the naval asset can do at this point. What they're doing is shadowing. This is standard operating procedure. They're shadowing the Thai fishing vessel, and will shadow it until it gets to Somali shores, and then the Thai fishing vessel with the Russians on board, the Russian crew aboard, is going to be held there until ransom is paid.
Maritime experts say the demand could be up to $2 million.
No matter what line of behavior we choose, still we'll have to pay a ransom. There is no alternative way. We cannot provide every vessel with guards. We cannot assign sea soldiers to every vessel. We still have only one way of dealing with pirates.
The ship's operators are under no illusions either as they prepare for negotiations.
Vessel is insured. Even hijacking by pirates is covered. The insurance company has sent a negotiator. Therefore, negotiating will be done by a professional. We're now waiting for instructions from the pirates. What they need is money, of course. I don't think that we'll see any actions against our crew.
In the past 2 years, Somali pirates have hijacked dozens of vessels, raking in tens of millions of dollars in ransom money. In 2009 alone, a total of 32 ships have been captured so far, with more than 500 people taken hostage. But with a growing taste for success, the pirates have dramatically extended their geography too, threatening not only the Gulf of Aden, but also the Red Sea, the east coast of Oman, and now the Seychelles.
First of all, you have to look at the vastness of the area. Controlling it geographically is just close to impossible. And secondly, it's not very good business for governments to spend hundreds of millions of dollars on applying military services or navy services to that region. And of course, finally, it is big business for the pirates involved.
The pirates, it seems, are prepared to attack almost anything that floats, from small yachts to huge tankers, and occasionally they strike gold. The pirates' largest capture to date was the Sirius Star, a Saudi oil tanker captured in November last year. The vessel was only released after the owners paid a whopping $3 million ransom. And it took even more money before another ship was allowed to continue on its way. The Ukrainian Faina, loaded with tanks, was held for 5 long months before a booty of $3.2 million found favor with its captors.
About 20 warships from at least a dozen of countries are involved in anti-piracy operations off Somalia, with Russia joining the mission a year ago. More than 150 suspected pirates were arrested in 2008 alone. But despite these multinational efforts, the pirates are still as active and dangerous. Maria Finoshna, Moscow.